All right, let's start with part A. I have sine cubed 3x dx, and we have a specific formula to take care of the odd powers of sine functions because we have the cubic power here. Let's go back to the guidelines for integrals involving powers of sine and cosine. I think number one is a perfect fit for that purpose because we have sine raised to an odd power, as you see in item number one. And we don't have any cosine coming along with that, but that's okay. We're going to still use the same idea that I'm going to save one sine x for dx, and I'm going to write the rest in terms of sine squared. And then sine squared will be replaced by 1 minus cosine squared, and we will see what we have at the end to see what kind of strategy we can apply at the end. But this is sort of like the initial strategy that we should apply. So I'm going to save one sine function for this, and sine squared 3x is going to stay as is. Eventually, we have sine cubed x anyway, right? And I am going to replace sine squared 3x by 1 minus cosine cosine squared 3x by using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So now, well, I say this for that, but let's get rid of this one part because we have a, well, I think we can do the u substitution in one shot. Okay, let's do u substitution in one shot, and let's call cosine 3x to be u. Okay. So that du will be minus 3 sine 3x dx. So the whole idea here is to use the Pythagorean theorem after we split the even powers of sine from sine 3x in the odd power, right? In the odd power form. So sine 3x is reserved right here, right? And you replace sine squared term by 1 minus cosine squared, and then simply apply the u substitution. Okay. So first of all, sine 3x dx is negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3 du. And then I have 1 minus u squared here, du. Okay? So this whole complicated looking integral is turning into a very simple integral because we're just integrating 1 minus u squared. So here we go. Let me just continue from here. So that's u minus u cubed over 3 plus c. And let's put the u back here. Minus 1/3 cosine 3x minus cosine cubed 3x divided by 3 plus the integrating constant c. Okay, and you can simplify this further. Minus 1/3 cosine 3x plus 1/9 cosine cubed 3x. So let me just rewrite that. Cosine cubed 3x over 9 plus c is the final form of this integration. Okay. Again, we start with the odd power of sine cubed 3x. In the formula, in fact, you have the odd power of sine coming along with cosine. We didn't have any cosine to worry about, so but we applied exactly the same strategy that we converted sine squared to cosine squared or cosine related term by using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. All right. That ends the video for part A. And I'm going to stop the video here. Please move on to part B to watch what I'm going to do for part B. All right, bye.